Hello everybody, today we are going to discuss maintenance request in the Odoo 14 enterprise version. Let's have a look. Maintenance module allows us to raise maintenance request for all possible equipments and devices within the system. This maintenance module is closely linked with the manufacturing module. However, you can completely avoid using the module if it is not required. Okay. As far as maintenance is considered, it is primarily ensuring a particular process to manage the maintenance, which can be seen through its dashboard, where we have different maintenance teams. Under configuration, we can create different maintenance teams. This information is limited, which only focuses on the fact that different users will be able to see only those requests which are associated with their teams. So let's say you can create one for IT team, one for your manufacturing maintenance team, and so on. User who has been given access can create a maintenance request like this, in which he can mention the title of the issue. He can specify it's his own name, which comes automatically. We are going to choose the equipment. Now, equipments are coming from here, but can also be belong to different types. So you can create its own category, who is using it, what is the information related to product, maintenance history, details, frequency that is required, which particular work center it will be maintained, which location it is being used, which maintenance team will take care. If all these things are entered, whenever I am going to choose a particular equipment, all these teams should be selected automatically. Maintenance type can be corrective or preventive. So preventive means you are going to do something in advance, even though something has not been, the incident has not occurred. And in corrective, you are basically correcting the issue. If this maintenance is associated with manufacturing order, you can specify the manufacturing order. The team would be selected automatically. The dates have to be chosen by what time you will need it. The duration details would be entered by the person who is doing the maintenance. After selecting this, you are going to submit this. The person associated with team can get email alerts if required. Otherwise, this information is already associated here. Once they start working on it, they can set it to in progress. There is a green mark which indicates that it is ready to move to next stage. Finally, they can mark it as repair. In case this maintenance does not go through, then needless to say, you can mark it as scrap as well. This is the maintenance request module which takes care. We have reporting section which primarily depicts the reports and analysis for maintenance. As you are aware, we have graphical view available. We have different kinds of measures. We have pivot view, Kanban view, list view, and the calendar view as well. That's all for now. Thank you very much.
Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel videos and you will be getting a lot. And yes, don't forget to comment upon these videos, because if you comment on these videos, this will really going to give us the motivation to upload more and more videos. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.